Our Jeep's being sandblasted up on Test Hill.
Oh, did he get stuck? That might have been the girls.
Did you get stuck?
That was the nieces. That's so cute. Oh, I hope you got enough. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow.
Yeah, there's the bump at the bottom.
Do it like where that sand rail's going. I don't know, it is pretty high though. Backing down Test Hill is not fun. But Adam went right there.
Yep, there they go.
Oh, there they go.
The battery.
Yeah, I can just hear the little girl screaming now.
Yep.
Should make it.
Craig's going out front.
He's maybe going that line.
Yep, that was a nice line.
He is going.
Nice line. Yeah, he's going.
Just tell him to watch out at the top. You need to get straight before you go, for one thing.
He's taking a different line.
Yeah. Oh, nice job!
No problem.
What
Nice
line
job.
are you taking? Oh boy. Hold on, ladies and gentlemen! Watch out for the... Oh gosh, watch out for
we
that.
got three of them going.
Yeah,
Same angle.
go right here.
Yep, we'll go right here.
Oh, it's a little bumpy. We're not gonna make it. Oh, no. Okay, alright, we're gonna have to back down.
Yep, that's right.
She hides her head.
Well, I feel like I need to lean forward. It's too like when we go under trees out in the woods.
Yeah.
I like duck, and just like why are you ducking? I'm like, I don't know, because you just do.
We tried to go to left of your line and didn't make it, so I think we'll have to go up your line. I
Or
think
if
that's
you go
gonna
a
be.
little right, where the
Yeah.
it's kind of a little dip.
Yep, I think that's gonna be the line right there. It looks a little firmer.
The nice thing about it is in the summer, it's usually like this is like so bumpy, like it's hard to get enough momentum, but it's not bumpy yet because there's been not many people. Hope you backed up far enough. Here we go! Ah! Woo! Woo!
Yep,
Oh
there
shit!
we go.
Slow down! Holy crap!
Yep, we made it.
Just had to go right and it was different line. Yep. Yeah, see like over there how it's super is and this side it's a little more slanty. That wasn't there, that would be something interesting, but I don't think we try it. Yeah. Yeah, Tacoma's trying to make it from that spot. But I know it's okay. If you want that there. Yeah. I think we got some air. You made it nice and easily. Yep, this is the steep hill. Yep. Well, you were over here. Yeah, we should go right over here. Yep. Well, we're a little sideways. Nope. Well, we did that back around a tree. So yeah, this is what people do sort of like, drive around. That's right, yeah. Well, I can get more after a while. And there's, okay, I understand why people come out every day. There's the woods to drive around, there's a lake, so yeah, it's okay. You know, I'm kind of like the girls, so too, the first hill, I'm always a little bit like, oh, see, there we go.